Ted is enjoying his final day of vacation of 2019, so we're happy to have Sarah Gannon in this morning to tell us more about a mess out there.
Yeah, we're going to be looking at some difficult conditions all across the area for this morning and then also later on tonight as well. So plan ahead. You will more than likely be spending a little extra time in the car on the road today. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for the entire KTTC viewing area until midnight tonight. We are looking at freezing drizzle from overnight that created a light glazing of ice on the roads this morning, and we are looking at accumulating snowfall for later on today. Here's what we're looking at right now with our precision radar. Most folks are staying dry and quiet. The bulk of some precipitation off towards the east of the Mississippi River, but we have been seeing a little bit of some light snow action going on from about Albert Lee down towards Mason City and Charles City, and that kind of has been very intermittent. So as we look at a broad scale look here of this low pressure system that's been impacting the region all weekend, we're seeing the center of this low pressure system just off towards southwestern Minnesota. So still seeing some snow off towards the Dakotas, and then rain that's going to become snow into Michigan and Wisconsin so far this morning. Here is a live look at your Lewiston auto camera. From Signal Hill, looking to the south, traffic looks to be moving smoothly there on Highway 52 this morning, but still plan ahead and allow for some slick spots on more of those untreated and lesser traveled roads. So currently temperatures are sitting into the upper 20s and lower 30s. We more than likely will see our high temperatures early this morning and then see those temperatures fall as we head into the rest of today. So in terms of more of those details about planning your commutes this morning and later on today, this morning we are looking at we are expecting to see some impacts and more of that from that freezing drizzle we saw overnight and that light glazing of ice. Now as we head towards the evening commute, we are looking at snow to be our big impact. Overall, slow down, allow for extra travel time, and make sure that you're traveling safely as you hit the roads this morning and later on tonight. So looking ahead with Futurecast, kind of timing the system out, we're looking to see the potential for maybe a little bit of some freezing drizzle here the next few hours. And then as we head into towards about 12 o'clock this afternoon, we'll start to see more of that snow becoming more widespread across the area, lasting through the afternoon and into the evening commute, so impacting that drive home. We'll see that snow lingering then and lasting through the evening, and a lot of the snow activity will be out of our area by about midnight or so. Some areas could be dealing with a little bit of snow lasting a little bit after that midnight hour, but otherwise as we head into Tuesday morning's commute, still may be dealing with a few issues on the roads for the morning commute, but otherwise high pressure will be taking control of the area through the day, so we'll be seeing clouds decreasing throughout your Tuesday. So some great news there. Then as we ring in the new year on Wednesday, looking at dry, quiet conditions. So our viewing area, the bulk of it, will be seeing about 2 to 4 inches of snowfall possible, with lesser totals to the south into northeastern Iowa, looking at about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. The highest totals will be to our north and to our northwest, where quite a bit more of accumulating snowfall is likely. So for today, we'll be seeing high temperatures into the lower 30s, that freezing drizzle becoming more snow as we head into the midday, lasting through this afternoon and this evening. Plan on some slick roads and maybe a little bit of some blowing snow in more of those areas prone to. We'll be seeing very gusty winds up towards about 30 miles per hour at times. Tonight, temperatures will be back down into the teens, so getting cold and slick once again. Overall, we'll be seeing about 2 to 4 inches possible of snowfall in our area, especially here in the Rochester region. That's kind of what we're thinking for today. Now, as we check out that extended forecast, drying out, becoming quieter as we ring in the new year.
All right, we like quiet, but things definitely a little slippery out there this morning. We've been